Mikotti in lane 4, Jonsson in lane 5, and Koskinen in lane 6. They were the 7th in the semifinals, 2, 1, and 3. So the first ones to be out of the B final.
Early lead for Craig Johnson from Canada. He was racing also in the Kayak 4, and Canada was also in the B final in the Kayak 4 men, and it is now leading.
In the semi-final, where Jonas Ecker from USA get the best time on the semi-finals, 1 minute 36.97. We also saw the flash interview this morning.
Craig Johnson is in his first year as an under-23. Last year in the... No, sorry, my mistake. Here in 2021 in Montemor, he finished in 8th position in the kayak double 500 meters.
Mikotti, 7th position in the second semi-final, Italian. It's leading now in this C-final. No doubts about
silver medalist from last year.
Silver medalist.
In the kayak double 1,000 meters, Mikotti. He raced with Federico Zanuta in the World Championships last year in the kayak double 1,000 meters. His best result is the gold medal in the European Championships in Belgrade 2022 as a junior. He's the man we are talking about, Luca Mikotti. Also silver medalist in Szeged 2022 as a junior. And it's a victory for Mikotti. It's the C final.
It was the C final. Let's move to the B final. The results from the C final.
1:44.73.